friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. I'm Erin, and for today's video we are going to be unboxing a Scruff-a-Luv. So I was reading through some websites where they talk about like hot new Christmas toys that were coming out this year. This one showed up on a couple of the lists and I thought it was really super cute. So if you don't know what a Scruff-a-Luv is, essentially you'll see when I open up the box, you get this little ball of fluff that's kind of irrecognizable, and you're supposed to wash it and fluff it up and make it into this cute little pet. Now it can either end up being a kitty, a dog, or a bunny. I'm hoping I get the dog just because I'm me, but I do love all animals. So, and I thought that this toy was really cute because essentially you are rescuing an animal, and that's the whole premise behind the toy, is that you can get something that looks not so nice, like some rescue animals, and shine them up like a new penny and make them beautiful. So, or in this case, I suppose not beautiful, but cute. But I liked the premise behind it. I thought it was really cute. I think it will teach kids a good lesson about rescue pets. So that's why I decided to buy it. That, and it's also fairly inexpensive. So you can find this toy at most major retailers. I know Target and Walmart specifically have them. I'm sure there are other toy stores that carry them as well. I'm sure you can find them on Amazon, stuff like that. Now I did find that they are sold out on Walmart.com, being sold by Walmart.com. There are other retailers and Walmart's marketplace, since they're essentially like Amazon now, where you can sell stuff on Walmart. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you can. So those retailers are selling them for $30 and upwards. If you can help it, don't buy from them. It's sold out on Walmart.com, and also according to the app, it is sold out at my local Walmart. Now that doesn't necessarily mean anything though, because I have found discrepancies between what the app says my store has and doesn't have. I've gone there and they said that they didn't have something and they did, or I've gone there and they've said they did have something and they didn't, which that one really kind of pisses me off. So I got my Scruff-a-Luv from Target.com. I actually bought it off of the Target app, I should say, so not really necessarily Target.com. They have it on there. They still have it on there as of today when I'm filming this. And they also had it available for store pickup, which means it's in the store. So if you're gonna look, I would recommend looking on Target. Now when I bought this, it was on sale for 20% off, I wanna say. So I think it was like $17.69. I'm not sure if you can hear the wind and the rain outside right now, but we're getting a pretty bad winter storm. Now here on the coast, I don't know if you heard that banging. That is the siding on the side of our house. It still has not been fixed yet. It's kind of flapping in the wind. So yeah, it's really bad weather outside. So I apologize if you hear any banging or the wind and the rain outside. Just a bad storm. No snow here in eastern North Carolina, but my mom, who lives in central North Carolina, she is at a hotel right now because she drove to work this morning, being the good employee that she is, and got stuck there. So now she's staying in a hotel overnight, which is probably for the best because she has to work tomorrow anyway, and it's gonna all freeze back over tonight. But yeah, long drawn out thing that's not even necessary to be on here. But anyway, back to Target.com. I got it for 20% off, so I think it was like $17 and some change. The normal retail price for it is $19.99. So if you can help it, I would get it for that price because I think it's worth 20 bucks. I don't think that this toy is probably worth 30 bucks. Now, I thought that the box was gonna be bigger, which makes me think that the toy inside is probably not very big, but big enough. I'm thinking it's probably gonna end up, excuse my reach, I have this guy sitting up on my desk. I think it'd probably end up being about the size of this guy. I don't think it'll be any bigger than that. So, I mean, $20 for a stuffed animal is a little steep, but the whole premise behind it and what you get to do to make that stuffed animal cute, I think it is worth $20. But anyway, let's get into the unboxing part of this. So let's just go over what the box looks like. There is going to be a glare from my ring light, so I apologize for that. It just says Scruff-a-Luvs on the front, and I guess these are made by Little Live. The age on this says ages 2+, so you could get this for a pretty young kid. And then it just says, find a Scruffy, make us fluffy, who will you rescue? And then it says Scruff-a-Luvs is a proud supporter of the ASPCA. So that's kind of cool too. And then right here, it just says wash, groom, love, and it has the picture of it. Now, I don't know if I remember, I can't remember if I said this or not, but you can get this in 2 different colors. You can get them in blue and in pink. I got mine in blue because blue is my favorite color. If you're getting a pink one, I think that this animal right here is pink instead of blue. It looks like a little carrying case, has this little thing here, and you can see like the fluff. And it says on the side to handle with love and care. And then on the back here, it again has what you can do, and then I'll read this part to you. It says, dear friend, these unloved and abandoned pets are in need of your help. When buying your Scruff-a-Luv, they arrive as a sad ball of matted fur, but once you bathe them, dry them, brush them, and love them, you will discover what kind of pet they really are, and reveal their true beauty. In return, they'll be your FFF, forever, furry friend forever. Adopt us all. Mystery animal inside. Find out if you have a dog, cat, or rabbit. So what comes in here, you get your mystery animal, a collar with a tag, an adoption certificate, a brush, and a hair clip. Now this says to wash and dry, so I'm wondering if you actually do have to get this wet and fluff it out and dry it. We'll see. If that's the case, this may be a little bit longer video than I had anticipated, but that's okay. Let's open this bad boy up. It's got tape on several sides of it, and I did not bring a knife back here, of course, because that would be the intelligent thing to do. I do, however, have a pair of scissors somewhere, so got that going for myself. Goodness, it's so cute, even though it's a little ball of fluff. So I hope that this has some kind of instructions on what you're supposed to do, and I think it does. But when you open up the package, this is what it looks like. How cute is this little thing? It feels like a matted ball of fur. And then it has the little collar. This is a brush. I'm assuming this is some kind of barrette. And it says, let me be your forever furry friend. And then down here on the flap, I'm assuming there's instructions behind this. This is the adoption certificate. So let's take that off and see what we're supposed to do. Okay, so this is going to involve water, so this got a little bit messier than I had anticipated. So it says that from Scruffy to Fluffy in 4 easy steps. Your poor little Scruff-a-Luv has been abandoned, unloved, and needs you to rescue it. Follow these steps to see your little Scruff transform from a sad ball of matted fur to a happy pet. Wash. Give your Scruff-a-Luv a nice bath to wash out its matted fur. Wash in a sink or a large bowl of water, of lukewarm water, and once washed, rinse off in clean water at least once. Number 2, reveal. What pet have you rescued? Is it a dog, a cat, a rabbit? And then for 3, it says just 20 minutes from washing to drying. Make your Scruff-a-Luv warm and dry by thoroughly drying it with a towel, followed by drying with a hair dryer, just like a pet salon. Make sure you use a warm setting, not hot, with adult supervision. Then number 4 is groom. Teach your pet to a styling session and make them look and feel gorgeous by brushing them and adding. And then it has 2 top tips here. It says, want to give your Scruff-a-Luv a bubble bath? Feel free to add child-friendly soap or body wash to the water, but remember to rinse thoroughly. And then the other top tip, it says for super speedy drying, you can also put your Scruff-a-Luv on a spin cycle. We're not going to be putting our Scruff-a-Luv onto a spin cycle, but I am going to have to move out of here because this is not conducive to Scruff-a-Luv cleaning. So let me break down my stuff. We'll make our way to the kitchen, which is a disaster, so I'm going to have to clean it up first, and then we will continue our Scruff-a-Luv journey. Be right back. Okay, So this is like a horrible camera angle for myself, but we have the Scruff-a-Luv here. I have a towel. I have my hairdryer. You might see a cat walking in and out around here-ish. That's her basket right there. And every time we come in the kitchen, she thinks she's gonna get treats, which I already gave her some treats, but that doesn't mean she's not gonna beg for more. She'll head for the hills when I turn on the hairdryer, or if I pick up that water gun right there. She don't like that either. But anyway, like I said, I have the Scruff-a-Luv here. So I'm just gonna set this box over here so it doesn't get all wet. And here he or she is. It looks like there's both, so I think it's probably a she. But here it is. It definitely feels all matted and gross, so we'll go ahead and give this a bath in the sink over here. So I figured it would probably be best to wash it with this thing. So let's get some warm water going. So I don't know if you have to like soak this or what the situation is. It's definitely not, some of it is getting a little bit fluffier. Oh wow, it's all balled up, so this is going to be a little bit bigger than what I thought. Let's go for the shower test here, shall we? Oh my goodness, look! Little feet! Is his head on backwards? Oh my goodness. I think we may have gotten a cat. I don't know if you can see very well. Here's what it looks like so far. His little hands are stuck. Oh, cute. I'm pretty sure this is a cat. Okay, so we're gonna wring the kitty cat out. Little kitty ears. Look at this. Turn from that ball into this. So now I can't wait to see what it looks like dry. So, let's dry her off in this towel. And I don't know what they made this out of, but I don't think that the inside per se got really too wet, which is kind of cool. So I think it will dry pretty quickly. Still looking a little scruffy. So I went ahead and I grabbed the little brush thing that goes with this. Continue to dry this. It says to dry thoroughly with a towel, and I'm not really too sure how you would do that. This thing is so cute. Look at its little fluffy head. So I don't know how much more dry I can get this thing. The towel did take a lot of water out of it. So let's dry her off a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna brush her out a little bit and then keep up with the drying process. So I'm gonna finish drying and fluffing and move my stuff back in the other room so I can conclude this video. But I don't think you want to see me drying and brushing for forever. So I'll see you in the future. Bye. Okie dokie. So finished drying her off. I have not decided what her name is yet. We did get a kitty cat. It's a little bit difficult to tell that it's a cat because the ears don't really stand up too well. I don't know if I just didn't wash it enough or whatever, but this toy is super cute. Here she is. She's still got, like, her paws are a little damp. Here, there's her other eyeball. But I put her little collar on her and her little bow. She probably could use some more brushing. I think it definitely takes longer than 20 minutes to get this thing dry. The recommendation of throwing it on the spin cycle might be your best bet. So I think if I were to get another one, I might try the spin cycle thing out. But yeah, overall, super cute toy. She's very fluffy. She has a little tail. She's very soft now that she is dry. She definitely did not feel soft initially in her ball-like state. But like I said, I think the estimation of how big it was gonna be was pretty good. Let me grab my bunny rabbit for comparison. So yeah, they're about the same size, like I figured based on box size. Overall, super pleased. I think I might try to get a pink one just so I have like a matching set. I have a blue one and a pink one. And then of course if I end up getting like the rabbit or the dog, I'm gonna want the third one. So yeah, I could see how kids could get addicted to this. But yeah, she's super cute. Oliver seems to think that this is his toy now, which he is sorely mistaken. This is not his toy. Alright guys, but that is going to be this episode of Vlogmas. If you liked this video, make sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you'll be able to see all my videos that I post. I am posting every day until December 25th. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye!